Alright, imagine this. You've got a killer service, appointments booked solid, and you're finally starting to see that dream of a thriving business become a reality. But then you realize, crickets. You're not hearing back from past clients. Potential leads are falling through the cracks. And that feeling of, I'm missing something, starts to creep in. Sound familiar? You're probably thinking, I need to stay top of mind. I need to nurture these relationships. I need to fill those open slots. And naturally, the question pops into your head, does Acuity do email marketing? You're not alone. So many service-based businesses rely on Acuity scheduling to manage their appointments, and it's a game changer. But let's be real, scheduling is just one piece of the puzzle. You need to communicate, engage, and ultimately convert. That's where email marketing comes in. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty of Acuity and email, let's step back for a second and understand why email marketing is still a powerhouse in today's digital landscape. We're bombarded with social media notifications, instant messages, and a constant stream of information. But email is personal, it's direct, and when done right, it's incredibly effective. Think about it. When you receive a well-crafted email from a business you trust, you're more likely to pay attention. You're more likely to read it, click on a link, and take action. Email allows you to build genuine relationships with your audience, deliver valuable content, and ultimately drive sales. But here's the rub, you're already swamped. Managing appointments, providing excellent service, and running the day-to-day operations of your business is a full-time job. You don't have time to learn a complex email marketing platform or spend hours crafting the perfect email. You need something simple, efficient, and integrated. So, let's get back to the burning question. Does Acuity do email marketing? The short answer is, sort of. Acuity has some built-in email notification features. You can set up automated emails for appointment confirmations, reminders, and follow-ups. These are essential for keeping your clients informed and reducing no-shows. But here's the catch. These are primarily transactional emails. They're focused on the logistics of scheduling, not on building relationships or driving sales. Think of it like this. Acuity's built-in emails are like sending a postcard with a simple "see you then" message. They're functional, but they don't exactly inspire excitement or engagement. What you really need is a more robust email marketing strategy. You need to be able to send targeted emails to specific segments of your audience, create engaging newsletters, promote special offers, and nurture leads. You need to be able to track your results and optimize your campaigns for maximum impact. So, how do you bridge the gap between Acuity's scheduling capabilities and your email marketing needs? The answer is integration. You need to connect Acuity with a dedicated email marketing platform. This will allow you to leverage Acuity's data to create highly targeted email campaigns. Let's break down the benefits of integrating Acuity with an email marketing platform. 1. Automated segmentation. Acuity collects valuable data about your clients, such as their appointment history, service preferences, and contact information. By integrating with an email marketing platform, you can automatically segment your audience based on this data. For example, you can send targeted emails to clients who have booked a specific service, or to clients who haven't booked an appointment in a while. 2. Personalized emails. With segmentation, you can create personalized emails that resonate with each segment of your audience. You can use their name, reference their past appointments, and tailor your message to their specific interests. This level of personalization can significantly increase engagement and conversion rates. 3. Automated email sequences. You can create automated email sequences that nurture leads and guide them through your sales funnel. For example, you can send a welcome email to new clients, followed by a series of emails that introduce your services, share valuable content, and promote special offers. 4. Targeted promotions. You can use email marketing to promote special offers and discounts to specific segments of your audience. For example, you can send a limited-time discount to clients who haven't booked an appointment in the past 3 months, or promote a new service to clients who have expressed interest in related services. 5. Trackable results. Email marketing platforms provide detailed analytics that allow you to track the performance of your campaigns. You can see how many people opened your emails, clicked on your links, and made a purchase. This data allows you to optimize your campaigns and improve your results over time. Now, you might be wondering, which email marketing platform should I use? There are many great options available, such as MailChimp, ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, and Constant Contact. The best platform for you will depend on your specific needs and budget. When choosing an email marketing platform, consider the following factors. Integration with Acuity. Make sure the platform integrates seamlessly with Acuity. Ease of use. Choose a platform that is easy to learn and use. Features. Consider the features that are most important to you, such as segmentation, automation, and analytics. Pricing. Choose a platform that fits your budget. Once you've chosen an email marketing platform, you can connect it to Acuity using Zapier or other integration tools. This will allow you to automatically sync your Acuity data with your email marketing platform. Now, let's talk about some specific email marketing strategies you can implement with Acuity integration. 1. Welcome email sequence. Create a welcome email sequence for new clients that introduces your business, highlights your services, and provides valuable resources. 2. Appointment reminder emails. Enhance Acuity's built-in appointment reminders with personalized messages and additional information, such as directions to your location or tips for preparing for their appointment. 3. Post-appointment follow-up emails. Send follow-up emails after appointments to thank clients for their business, solicit feedback, and encourage them to book their next appointment. 4. Re-engagement emails. Send re-engagement emails to clients who haven't booked an appointment in a while, offering them special discounts or promoting new services. 5. Newsletter emails. Create a regular newsletter that shares valuable content, industry news, and special offers with your audience. Don't let your valuable client data go to waste. Leverage the power of email marketing to nurture relationships, drive sales, and grow your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.